The workers stuck the sliced pork pickled for half an hour on the bamboo sieve. After 25 minutes of high temperature baking, the sliced pork became flexible and the color began to turn into a uniform reddish brown. This is a factory specializing in the production of dried pork. Unlike most of the minced pork used in the production of preserved pork, the raw material of dried pork is to evenly slice the whole piece of lean pork through a cutting machine and then pour it into a blender together. In addition, it is mixed with soy sauce and fish sauce. After mixing evenly, it is poured into a basin and then added with white sugar, black pepper, white sesame, salt and other spices to marinate for half an hour. Using this time, the workers on the other side began to prepare the bamboo sieve needed for baking, then spread the pickled meat slices evenly on the bamboo sieve, and then put the bamboo sieve covered with meat slices together in the oven. After baking for 25 minutes, the workers took them out of the bamboo sieve. At this time, the dried pork has become very flexible and full of luster. At this time, the workers will smear 2 layers of honey on it and stack all the dried pork neatly together, and then use the cutting tool to divide the dried pork into small pieces. And then on the other side of the factory, the workers will neatly cut the dried pork and put it on the mesh conveyor belt. During the forward transmission of the conveyor belt, the high temperature oven above and below the conveyor belt will dry the surface of the dried pork again and hang it in the container prepared by the workers in advance for air drying for 2 hours, and the dried pork will be made. Before packaging, workers will use scissors to trim the edges of dried pork, which are scorched and cracked, so that the secret dried pork can be packaged and sent to the place where they need it.